Hey guys, what's going on? Joey's here from Joey's Garage. And today, we've got the Harbor Freight $21 half-inch air impact wrench. This here, let the camera focus. Hold on. There we go. Alright. I bought this because it's just kind of a budget thing. This is going to be my new main impact wrench out in the garage. Yep. It's not a bad deal for 21 bucks. Yeah, I'm going to do an unboxing and review on this. Kinda. Yeah, there we go. There she comes. See how she comes. She's got a lot of. That's off there. I got an air ratchet and that there, but it's up inside there. That hole, usually. But not this time. Let me put that back in there. There we go. So it's new again. Damn, this ain't bad. So far. Oh yeah, it's got a little bit of play, but it ain't that bad for a $21 air ratchet. Or air impact. Looks pretty damn beautiful. Can't wait to see how she does on my compressor. Just letting you guys know now, I am not being paid to do this. I'm doing this for my own satisfaction. I don't know if that'll be a problem on YouTube. But yeah, there is the $21 Harbor Freight air impact wrench in all of its glory. Damn. Yeah, I think this here is a good ratchet. Also, guys, where did I put it? When you guys buy yours, don't forget this. Well, not more or less just this. You can get that in brass or steel, and then it screws into this so you can plug it in. Yeah, as so. This here is I forget what size it is now. It'll say it on it. These here are 99 cents, I believe. I believe these are 1/4 inch. Right there. It will never focus on that. But yeah, I believe it's 1/4. Does it say 1/4? I'm trying to look through the camera at it, guys. 1/4 inch. Yeah, it's really hard to see. I don't blame the camera for not being able to see that. The only reason I got one of these is because my air hose leaks, and I didn't feel like buying a brass because they're really damn expensive. So I just went with a steel. I'm going to see how she works. The reason I say she is just because male, female. See how she works. But yeah, that's it. You got down here, you got the pressure control. 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got forward here, and then reverse, and back here, back to forward. You've got oil up there, and you put oil in there. That is where the air goes in. Yep, oil daily. You can see right there. Light in this bedroom sucks. I'm in my bedroom today. This table here reflects a lot of light too. That says oil daily. It has an arrow right there pointing to that. But yeah, I don't know if I turn my brightness. Yeah, there it is. $21 impact wrench. I was literally about to leave Harbor Freight and I seen this sitting there. And I was like, it's mine. I'm taking it. I gotta get it. Gotta get it. But yeah, nothing's included with it, sadly. It's just the impact wrench. There's no ends for it. There's a Silca gel packet. But yeah, that's about it. That's all you get with her. But for the deal, you guys will see later in my future videos, probably me using this quite a damn bit. And yeah, you'll see the latest update of me using it and see exactly how good it works, and maybe you'll go buy your own. Like I said, I am not being paid by Harbor Freight to make this video. I am doing it for my own satisfaction. But yep, that's it guys. Peace out.